Welcome back. So today I'm just going to review this, which I bought at Econo Foods for $21.99. It's a strawberry flavored gin fudge. I haven't had this before, so let's try it. If we can open it first. Okay, so there you go. As I always say, it's all in the taste. But with sweets, the texture also makes a difference. But I know I have the original one before, but not the strawberry one. And the original one was very nice, I must say. For $21.99, it's really not bad. I suffered to get it open. Okay, here guys, that's what it looked like. It's very nice. Really nice. I rate this 8.1 out of 10. Thanks guys, till next time. Love you all.